slime. Well, this is like putty slime. It's stretchy too. And it's, yeah, so let's get started. So the things that you'll be needing is Eric freshener, and some glue. You can use any type of glue. And you're just going to be needing Airwick. Only Airwick, because I don't think that any other kind will work. Sorry guys, there was a bug. Just use Airwick. And then just get something to mix it with. There should be scissors in here so I can cut that thing. Nope. Oh well. And yeah. So let's get started. Let's put this slime somewhere. Sorry guys, I can't stop playing with it. So then you're gonna wanna put your glue in the. It will come out. I'm just gonna take off the lid. Since it's very thick glitter glue. I'm just gonna do one. Oh, that should be good. This is like already like slime. By the way guys, if you're wondering where I got this, all at Office Depot. Yes. And then once you put in the glue, you're gonna want to spray in it for like 7 times. So first just mix it and then yeah. So I'm gonna aim it this way. So then you don't wanna do down because that's how you break it. I just do it like this. Put it sideways and then spray. Won't come out. Oh, there it goes. And then start mixing. You probably want to spray in it for like 7 times because the first time I did it took so long. And then I stopped doing it because I was too lazy and because I ran out of Airwick and glue. Get the edges off. Oh, my friend is typing. Okay guys, since you already know the recipe, and yeah, so bye guys.